feeling tired, unmotivated, or just not as strong as you used to be? Your testosterone levels could be to blame. And guess what? You don't need expensive treatments or risky injections to fix it. In today's video, we are diving into science-based, practical ways to naturally increase your testosterone levels without popping a single pill. These strategies are free, easy to implement, and incredibly powerful when done consistently. Stick around till the end because the last tip is something most men never think about, but it can make a huge difference in your testosterone levels. So let's get started. Number one, fix your sleep, which is your natural testosterone builder. If you're not getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, you're hurting your testosterone levels more than anything else. Studies show that just 1 week of poor sleep can reduce testosterone levels by as much as 15%. That's huge. Testosterone is primarily produced during sleep, especially in the REM cycle, which is if you're constantly staying up late, scrolling on your phone, or waking up throughout the night, you're robbing your body of its prime time to restore and build testosterone. So what can you do? Set a consistent sleep schedule. Ditch screens 1 hour before bed. Sleep in a dark, cool room. Try meditation or breathing exercises to relax your mind. Sleep isn't laziness, and it's recovery. And recovery is how you grow. Sleep. Number two, lift heavy, especially compound movements. Want to signal your body to produce testosterone? Pick up some weights. Resistance training, especially heavy compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, pull-ups, have been shown to spike testosterone naturally. You don't need to train like a bodybuilder. Just 3 to 4 times a week, just focusing on progressive overload is enough to send the right signal to your endocrine system. The key, intensity. Push yourself, of course, safely. Focus on form and rest between sets to recover. Cardio has its place too, but boosting testosterone is your goal, and weights are your best friend. Number three, eat fat the right kind. Yes, you heard that right. Fat is not the enemy. In fact, healthy fats are crucial for your testosterone production. Your body uses cholesterol to create hormones, including testosterone. That's why low-fat diets often lead to low testosterone. Here are testosterone-friendly fats that you can add to your meals: avocados, egg yolks, extra virgin olive oil, nuts and seeds, fatty fish like salmon or sardines, and coconut oil in moderation. Avoid processed vegetable oils and trans fats. They do the opposite and tank your testosterone levels. Also, don't fear red meat. Just choose grass-fed red meat and balance it with fiber-rich vegetables. Number four, reduce sugar and processed foods. Sugar is like kryptonite for testosterone. High blood sugar and insulin resistance disrupt hormonal balance and lead to fat gain, especially around the belly, which converts testosterone into estrogen. Not what we want. Not cutting back on sugary drinks, white bread, pastries, packaged snacks, and processed junk can have rapid impact on your testosterone and overall vitality. Swap those out for whole foods, colorful vegetables, lean proteins, fiber-rich carbs like quinoa or sweet potato. Fuel your body like it matters because it does. Number five, manage stress and cortisol. Chronic stress is a testosterone killer. Why? Because when you have stress, your body secretes cortisol and it directly suppresses testosterone production. Because think about it, your body doesn't care about building muscle, think about maintaining libido if it thinks you're under threat all the time. It just wants to survive. Here's how to lower your cortisol naturally. Practice deep breathing or meditation for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Get outside in nature. Sunlight is a natural mood booster and testosterone enhancer. Prioritize downtime. Take breaks, have fun, and connect with real people. And here's a simple one. Laugh more. It lowers stress and boosts testosterone. Win-win. Number six, sunlight or vitamin D daily. Vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it's a hormone, and it's directly linked to testosterone levels. Low vitamin D equals low testosterone, period. Get 15 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight on your skin daily if you can. If that's tough due to where you live or because of seasons and other things, consider getting a full blood panel test. If your levels are low, talk to a doctor about supplementing with vitamin D right away. But the natural route, getting outdoors, is always the first step. Number seven, fix your posture and breathe like a king. Here's the one that most people overlook. When you hunch over, breathe shallowly, and sit for hours, you send a signal of weakness to your brain, and your body responds by reducing testosterone. Stand tall, open your chest, take a deep breath. These are little posture cues actually that influence your nervous system and hormone response. Try this. For 2 minutes a day, stand in a power pose. Feet shoulder width apart, hands on hips, chest out, head high. It's called the Superman pose, and it's been shown to increase confidence and testosterone levels. So here are some final thoughts. You don't need fancy supplements, mystery pills, or injections to raise your testosterone. You need good sleep, smart training, a clean, balanced diet, stress control, sunlight, and confidence you carry in how you carry yourself. It's simple, but it takes consistency. If you got value from this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Which tip are you going to try today? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. And remember, when you take care of your body, it rewards you in more ways than you can think. Thank you very much.